Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to make a great post on Canva. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, we have to create a custom size. The width is 3 to 40 and the height will be 1080 px. Now create a new design. Now after that, go to Elements and then scroll down, then find the grid section. Now choose this grid. Now after that, go to File and then click the Settings. And now enable the Show Rulers and Guides. And then make a guide of this tree section. Now after that, just delete the grid we added and then just make your poster design. Now once you're done with your poster, just click the share button and then click the download. Now save it as PNG. Now after that, just go to a website of split image tool. I'm just gonna go with pinetools.com. Now what you're going to do is choose a file and then after that select the horizontally and the quantity of blocks is 3 and then save your image as PNG and then finally split the image. Now after that, it will give you the images and you just have to download it. And then that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.